Hello guys, thank you so much for visiting this channel and subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. Simsans TV really appreciates you guys. I appreciate you for your presence here. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification. Hello guys, thank you so much guys for subscribing to this channel. I see we are growing so much, the numbers are going high. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much. This is the best TV which gives you latest updates on what's happening in the streets, from celebrities, socialites, comedians, bloggers, etc, businessmen, sportsmen, etc. You find all the updates here. So please, if you're new to this channel, there is a bell below. Click that bell, subscribe and wait for updates so that whenever I upload something new, you'll be first to get that thing. So thank you so much guys. Recently we saw the Ndurani clan is in a fight again. We all know the Confused and Platinum Prince. These guys, they are close buddies, they are real friends, and people they say Confused and Platinum Prince like zokupfeka zvanenge asada anongopawo Platinum Prince omsenderochi kuno Africa. Since shamwari yake Confused ari kuchando maiziya, anosenda shamwari yake zvimabhero akayachi kujoza kwaanogara ukamona. Seems like Platinum Prince is like azamira bo. I don't know, nobody knows life yake, but zvinonzi Confused, he's been helping his friend pazvese, from chikafu, from zvokupfeka, mari dzekurekoda and stuff maiziya. And pane nguva yakaposta Platinum Prince ashawo zvoni shamwari unokunda ukama, means mukomana is appreciating zvaitwa Confused mulife make maiziya. But seems like there's a bad blood happening right bakomana two ava. We all know these guys ishinzi Ndurani. Since back then 2013 vanika clan kavo kavaita macomedy avo, and they were very good. They were good duo that time. Ndo mazuva aimba Confused zimdanzo asati asiya zimdanzo akimbo music yake inonaka, music yemababy. So after hondo yaitika yemadis, Platinum Prince akadisa seCalaz achizoni mwana wainaye achizoni akataura kuti zvoni pasong yakaimba une edzi yawakapiwa naMoira. Moira akapiwa edzi naCalaz, ona. But akazaura zvoni zvakawanda concerning Moira. Mozi akapinza zita raMoira parisingakwane, which means of which Moira anga asina nezvokuita nenyaya dzevanhu ava, but akapinza Moira mudhiri ranga asingazive, ona. Zvadaro manje Confused shows kuti haana kufarira maitiro akaita shamwari yake, marespondi akaita shamwari yake kudistrict yaseCalaz, haana kufarirawo zvaakaita. But this guy seems like they even chat kuinbox zvotodaro maiziya, because shamwari wavo hausi shamwari weturandi, shamwari wabva kure, vatone more than a decade vari mafriends, mona. Confused wrote, Blood uri mufesi wangu, but on that seCalaz this reply you kinda went a bit too personal and insensitive. If I had ability to listen to the reply before it's released, we would have definitely changed a few lyrics on there for humanity's sake. But however, yadeuka, hashtag Ndurani, hashtag hondo. So that guys, 2 days ago, Platinum Prince akabva responda manje pa page pake pa Facebook akati Q, I know akatsamwira kuti ndakaimba nezvaMoira, then you refused to kuisa our song cheuka pachannel pako pa YouTube, or kuipusha as we had agreed before. Asina kuzipusha pachannel pangu uri wangu, but everyone knows nyaya dzako naMoira. So means Confused naMoira vakatombodana na macelebrity, so vakaipa. And Moira is not a secret. Nhasi wakuda kunditsura pavanhu, number yangu unayo yotora day pa WhatsApp, vakaacta same cards, but since vakanitaura pano ndongouya pano. Calaz atuka jala nyaya dzekusazvara kwake, Magic akafirwa nemukadzi, kamuti wakauraya mukadzi nenzara. Indakazongomuti kabira zvaipa. Anyways, yadeuka changu chindurani chiri moro pamubhonzo. Ndikataura kuti mwana waMoira akafanana newe, uzonzi ndotaurisa hondo. Yo yeah guys, mastreets aya ari kupisa, ari kubvira mastreets. Saka paronzoni mwana waMoira treasure mumanyi vatana Calaz, aswa Calaz arikunzi ndewa Confused. Ichokwadi ramana ichi hatizive, but pakaipa guys. So ndozvokuitika kwakomana guys. So right now we don't know zvafamba sei pashamwari avo, maybe magebe kungopushana and stuff, but no, nobody knows the truth. except you over to don't that you. So yeah, guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for your support and your love. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that but to not upload anything new, either you have updates, either you have a chi, I would ask you, you're the first person to get that. So thank you so much guys. Zimzans TV, like you, love you so much. Bye.